Are you looking for a move-in ready house that's been recently remodeled? What if I told you it's got a fenced-in backyard and a 2-car garage? I'm Marcus with Savalio & Co., and I'm pleased to share with you our newest property at 1646 South 17th Street. This property is located in the heart of Sheboygan, slightly on the west side. It's close to great schools, King Park Beach, and minutes away from the great shopping and dining options that Sheboygan has to offer. But enough about the neighborhood, let's take a look inside. So this property is move-in ready. It's got updated flooring, updated paint, new carpeting upstairs and in the bedrooms. The bathroom and kitchen have both been remodeled, and the bonus on the kitchen, well, it's got this cute little eat-in area with a great big window as well. Upstairs, we're gonna find those same types of updates with new carpeting, plus a large third bedroom that has built-in twin-size beds. Why don't you meet me downstairs to take a look at the lower level, and then we'll head outside. As you head downstairs, you're gonna find it's partially finished. Over here, we've got a nice rec room space. Around the corner from me, we've got the laundry that's included, tucked away into the corner. And then around the other corner here, we've got some storage and a half bath that's currently being used as a music room. The real gem of this property is in the backyard. So why don't you meet me out there and I'll show it all to you. Now, if you thought the inside of this property was great, wait until you see the backyard. Not only is it completely fenced in, but it's got a patio area for those summer grilling days, and for those starry summer nights, you've got an outdoor fire pit. Plus, with a 2-car garage that's got extra room on both sides, you've got room for your cars, your toys, and your supplies. I'm Marcus with Savalio & Co., brokered by eXp Realty, and I really don't think this house is gonna last long. So if this is the house that you've been looking for, reach out to me so we can schedule a private tour today before this one disappears.